Time is up 3.
What is it? Time is 2:55. First drops of rain.
I could move this in a million years.
Oh, maybe your brother can help you with it.
Holy shit, look at that.
According to KAXC, this thing's supposed to be here at about 2:50.
About what?
About 10 minutes to 3, it's supposed to start ramping up around here.
It's 2:49 right now.
I know, so it's rolling in right about now at about 45 miles an hour.
It's 70 mile an hour gusts.
60 to 75.
There we got a chipmunk living in our basement.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Wow, that's starting to get a little,
Ominous.
Where does
got a
this?
little spiral action going there.
Oh, we don't frickin' like that.
Oh!
Holy shit.
Don't worry, they always go to the northeast.
Okay. Where does that chipmunk live, by the way?
In that window.
In that window? Oh my god. If it gets really
It's
ugly,
like a tornado.
if it gets really ugly, we're going to the basement, kiddos. Bring all your electronics with you.
Did you know when you're in Mortal Terror, I always worry about the Kindle Fire.
Well, no, if you have to communicate with people and there's still G left. Okay, I'm thinking going inside's probably a good idea right about now, guys. Let's go.